Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can fix if you're facing error like something like this. Couldn't refresh the feed. So there is no feed, and on the DMs also, when I want to text someone on my Instagram, it is not at all showing. Everything it is showing as empty. Even the request it is showing as empty. Even on the field means even on the feed on the stories Instagram is showing couldn't refresh feed. So how you can fix this issue? Actually, this is not a bug or an error, but this is maybe due to the internet, low internet or network issues. First of all, do one thing: switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check whether the problem is solved or not. And next, just restart your mobile and check whether the problem got resolved or not. If the problem persists, you can just open your Play Store and search for the Instagram, and then see whether there is any update available. Yes, if there is update available, just update the app. And if this still does not fix the problem, you can clear the cache of the Instagram by pressing and hold here. And on the storage space, you can clear the cache and restart your mobile and restart the app. Clear the app from the recent apps and check whether the problem got resolved or not. Even this also didn't work, just wait for some time, because maybe internet over your area may be slow or facing an issue. And check whether the other apps like YouTube, Gmail and other, if everything are working fine, just wait for some time, it will get resolved automatically. And thanks for watching, have a nice day.